You're eating every day, but the scale won't budge, your clothes still hang loose, and people keep asking if you're feeling unwell. Sound familiar? Gaining weight can be just as frustrating as losing it, especially when you're doing everything right but seeing zero progress. Let's fix that today, naturally and healthily. While weight loss is a popular goal, many people struggle with the opposite, trying to gain healthy weight fast. Whether you're recovering from illness, naturally underweight, or just looking to build muscle mass, choosing the right foods is key. But not just any food, we're talking about nutrient-dense, calorie-rich foods that fuel your body without filling you with junk. Let's dive into the top healthy foods that can help you gain weight fast, the right way. Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to Essential Cures. Kick-starting our list at number 1 is whole milk and dairy products. Milk isn't just for strong bones, it's one of the best weight gain boosters. Whole milk is high in calories, protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins like calcium and vitamin D. Add it to smoothies, oatmeal, cereal, or drink it straight. Bonus: Greek yogurt and cheese are great for snacking and adding extra calories without feeling heavy. Number 2. Rice and whole grains. Rice is easy to digest and very high in carbs and calories. It pairs well with almost everything, from beans and veggies to meat and eggs. Other options: quinoa, oats, whole grain pasta, and brown bread also give your meals a calorie and nutrient boost. Number 3. Potatoes and starchy veggies. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, corn, and squash are rich in carbs and calories. They are also easy to incorporate into most meals. Tip: roasting them with olive oil gives you even more calories and flavor. Number 4. Healthy smoothies and shakes. Liquid calories can be easier to consume than solid foods when trying to gain weight. Homemade smoothies allow you to blend high-calorie ingredients like milk, nut butter, oats, bananas, and protein powder. Quick recipe: blend whole milk, banana, peanut butter, oats, and honey for a 600+ calorie shake. Number 5. Eggs. Eggs are a complete protein, meaning they contain all essential amino acids. The yolk contains healthy fats and essential nutrients. Eat them, boiled, scrambled, fried in olive oil, or added to fried rice or sandwiches. Tips: eat more frequently, aim for 5 to 6 smaller meals a day instead of 2 to 3 big ones. Don't skip healthy fats. Olive oil, coconut oil, and butter can be added to almost any meal. Strength training. Lifting weights helps ensure that the extra calories go into building muscle, not just fat. So if you're tired of feeling too skinny, lacking energy, or just want to fill out your clothes better, try adding these powerful foods to your meals. Gaining weight doesn't mean junk food and soda. It means smart eating, consistency, and nourishing your body the right way.